make. So what I've done is I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Now in a double boiler, that is a pot with boiling water and a bowl on top of it, which is microwave proof, I've just melted some dark chocolate, some milk chocolate with some butter. Now once the chocolate melts, I'm going to be adding the sugar. Once the sugar nicely dissolves in the chocolate, I'm going to be adding about 2 eggs. You can beat the eggs before adding them. Once you've mixed up the eggs into this chocolate batter, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract, followed by 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now mix all these ingredients well, and then we're going to add about 3/4 of a cup of flour. So this is all-purpose flour or maida, and we're going to fold in everything well together. This is a one-pot dish, so it's really simple and easy to make. And now just to elevate the flavor of this dish, I'm adding about 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. And I'm going to mix everything together. Now our oven is preheating, and I've also lined a cupcake tray with some cupcake liners, and then I'm just going to scoop this mixture into the cupcake holder to about 3/4 of the liner. So once everything is filled in well, we are going to bake this in our oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. But depending upon your oven, please keep an eye on it. And once you insert a fork or a spoon and it comes out clean, that means your cupcakes are all ready. So don't overcook them. And let them cool to completely to room temperature, and then you can have these amazing cupcakes. They're really, really delicious.